Hello, it's Thursday afternoon, May 8th, and my title today is Teachable Moments with COVID-19. This is National Teachers Appreciation Week, and before it's over, I wanted to devote one video to teaching and teachers. Like many doctors in training, I trained at a very busy medical center, and the patient number far outnumbered the number of providers we had. So when it came time to learning how to do a particular procedure, a minor procedure, drawing blood or putting IVs in, changing drains, changing dressings, or minor repairs, we had an expression, and it went like this. One, you see one, they were referring to procedures here. You see one, you do one, you teach one. I think that those three little steps, see one, do one, teach one, can be applied to how we're dealing with this pandemic today. So let's start with see one. Yes, we are seeing a virus that's novel to human beings. And in many ways, we were underprepared for it. We underestimated the efficiency of its pathogenicity, and we were overwhelmed by the devastation it's caused on so many fronts. But we're Americans, so we didn't sit back and just see and watch. We did. So step two, we do one. What did we do? Well, we started to learn how to test for the virus. We've learned how to mitigate the virus. We're doing things to treat the virus, and we're doing things hopefully even to vaccinate against the virus. So that leads us to step three, teach one. Yes, every day we're teaching each other about the virus. Intensivists from ICUs all over the country are sharing their outcomes, their data, their clinical presentations of their patients and how they're treating them, and what best practices are, and what medications are working, and what signs to look for. And they're sharing this with other medical centers. We're sharing demographics and best practices in terms of mitigation. We're sharing clinical trial data. We're sharing medication outcomes. We're sharing with each other how to cope with being isolated or under confinement like we are. And in all, we're even sharing how to teach in different ways and in different modalities. And that is why I want to say that every single day, we're all teachers in some capacity, but with this virus, we're also all students because we're all learning as we go how to deal with this unprecedented infection. So hats off to all teachers in whatever line of work you are and whatever method you use to teach, because every single day, there's students out there for you. And remember, you are appreciated. So keep your faith greater than your fears. Thank you.